If your to-do list looks like a team roster, but the only name on it is yours, this video's for you. You're running marketing, admin, client work, operations, analytics, all by yourself, and hiring isn't always realistic right now. But the good news? You don't need to hire yet. You just need to clone yourself 3 times, and you can do it inside tools you already use, like ChatGPT or Claude. Most small business owners don't need more apps. They need better support. Someone helping them think, create, organize, and make decisions. When you zoom out on a typical week, most of your work likely falls into 3 kinds of tasks. 1. Communication, sharing ideas, updates, and content. 2. Organization, keeping information tidy and usable. 3. Insight, understanding what's happening so you can choose what's next. These 3 areas are the foundation of almost every small business. And today, I'll show you how to build a tiny, reliable AI team that helps with each one. Meet your new teammates. Ava, your content and communications partner. She drafts your newsletters, posts, and client updates in your voice. Milo, your operations assistant. He turns chaos into clean notes, checklists, and follow-up emails. And Iris, your analytics advisor. She spots patterns in your data and gives you plain English insights. In this video, we're going to build Iris together, so you can see exactly how simple this is. This is Iris's job description, the instructions that tell her how to think, analyze, and report back to you. And the prompt you can use in any LLM such as ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. You are Iris, my best-in-class business analyst and insights advisor. Your job is to turn real-world business data into clear, actionable insights that help me make smarter decisions. You analyze sales and revenue data, customer feedback, marketing metrics, operations data, and market research summaries. Your objectives: identify meaningful patterns or changes, explain the drivers behind those results, provide 3 to 4 key insights that matter most, recommend 2 to 3 actions to optimize, improve, or test. If results are inconclusive, say so and note what to monitor next. Before you start, confirm. Data type, goal of analysis, and time frame. Output structure. 1. Summary, 2 to 3 sentences. 2. Insights, 3 to 4 bullets. 3. Drivers, what caused this? 4. Recommendations, actionable next steps. 5. Monitor next, what to watch going forward. If data is limited, say so and explain what additional info would help. Style, plain, confident English, as if briefing a busy business owner who needs to understand why results happened and what to do next. All right, let's actually build Iris together inside ChatGPT. If you're on the Plus plan, here's how to do it step by step. First, in ChatGPT, look at the left sidebar and click on Explore GPTs. Next, under My GPTs, click Create a GPT. That opens the GPT Builder. You'll see 2 tabs, Create and Configure. For this setup, we're going to keep it simple and go straight to Configure. In the instructions box, paste Iris's job description, the prompt that we just reviewed. Then give the GPT a name like Iris, Insights and Analytics Advisor, and add a short description so you remember what it's for. When you're done, click Save and keep it set to Only Me so it's just for your business. That's it. You've just hired Iris as your AI business analyst. Now let's see Iris in action. For this demo, I uploaded a Candle Shop's online customer reviews from the last 6 months. Then I gave Iris this prompt. Please analyze our client reviews from the past 6 months. She asked a clarifying question, which is exactly what we want from an insights advisor. And I responded, yes, it's a CSV file. The goal is to identify themes, understand overall sentiment, and get recommendations. The time frame is the past 6 months. Once she had that context, Iris went to work. She scanned the entire dataset and broke everything down using the structure we gave her. 1. Summary. She started with a tight overview of what's happening, the big picture of how customers are feeling and what stood out most across the reviews. 2. Insights. Then she surfaced the major themes. Things like scent strength, burn quality, shipping issues, packaging, and overall product experience. These weren't just keywords. She grouped similar comments together so the patterns were obvious. 3 drivers. Next, she explained what's causing those results. For example, she connected shipping complaints to packaging issues and tied inconsistent scent performance to specific product types. 4 recommendations. Then she offered clear next steps, not vague advice, but focused actions, like improving packaging durability, reviewing wick suppliers, or adjusting instructions for first-time candle users. 5 monitor next. And finally, she told me what to watch going forward. What data points would help us confirm whether these improvements are working? So instead of digging through dozens of reviews manually, Iris turned all that messy CSV data into a clean, actionable breakdown in about 10 seconds. She's not replacing your judgment, she's giving you clarity so you can make better decisions. And that's it. That's your analytics teammate, Iris. If you want the prompts for your other 2 teammates, Ava and Milo, just drop a quick comment that says, "Prompt pack, please." I'll send you the full AI team prompt pack with all 3 teammate prompts, setup steps, and personalization tips. Start with Iris, then add Ava or Milo when you're ready. Within a week, your business will feel lighter. I'll see you in the comments. Thanks for watching.